In this video, we are going to see three breakout stocks, and first stock is Archer Pharma Limited. Here, our entry will be about 1866.70, and first target is 2186.40. Second target is 2537.00. These targets are promising target, and you can put your stop loss at the latest swing low, which means just those three candles accumulation zone. And second stock is Jindal Drilling Limited, and this our entry will be about 827.00. Entry was happened earlier, but it came down, and that is retested. And now once if you get the candle close above 827, you can go for the buy. And our target will be 898.80. Stop loss is 726.25. And the final stock is FL India Limited. Stock is at all-time high, and from here stock will move up based on our analysis, and you can plan for minimum 5% return for this stock, and stop loss is our latest swing low. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more stocks update and earn money from the break.